Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Chun Li from Street Fighter. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw her hair on her forehead with an upside down V shape in the middle point. Sharp turn upwards with curved line diagonally to the middle point. Sharp turn back out to the right, sharp turn upwards and to the middle point. I'm gonna do the same thing for the left side of her hair, and I'm gonna add an extra piece of hair on the left corner right there. At the side of that, sharp turn diagonally out to the left and turn it downwards. Turn it sideways to the left, turn it downwards, sharp turn back upwards at the outer corner, an arch curve line to the left, turn it downwards, turn it diagonally in to the right. Above the ear, I'm going to draw a curve line up for the side of her head, and at that ending point, curve line diagonally across to the right and upwards. Slightly above that, I'm going to draw a similar curve line again across at that corner. And at the ending point on both sides, I'm going to draw a line downwards right there. Above that shape, I'm going to draw her hair bun on the left corner, curve line diagonally up to the left, arch curve line across to the right. At that ending point, I'm going to draw another arch curve line across diagonally to the right, and another one on the right side of that, semicircular turn diagonally downwards at that. Below the hair bun on the left, I'm going to draw two strings with curve line diagonally down to the left, curl it to the right at the lower point, and another similar curve line on the left side of that. A line across at the ending point below right there. Repeat the same shape of that string on the right corner right here. On the right side of her hair bun, I'm going to draw an arch curve line across to the middle of her head. And I'm going to mirror the same arch curve line again for the right side. And I'm going to mirror the hair bun on the right side of her head right here. Below the hair bun on the right, curve line downwards and slightly to the left. Now for her face shape, below the hair on the left, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards. Turn it to the side of her cheek. Semicircular turn diagonally in to her chin. Curve line across on her chin to the left. Turn it back diagonally up on the left side of her face. Semicircular turn upwards. Now for her face, I'm going to draw her eyebrow off center to the left in the middle, a short line downwards, turn it diagonally up to the left, curve line across to the left. For the upper line of the eyebrow, I'm going to draw a similar set of curve line again right there. Now below the eyebrow, I'm going to draw her eye with an arch curve line across from the inner corner to the left, curl it upwards at the outer corner of her eye. For the lower line of her eye, I'm going to take the same inner corner and draw a curve line across to the left, turn it diagonally up at the outer corner of her eye. I'm going to thicken the outer corner of her eye at this upper point. Inside of the eye, I'm going to draw her pupil with a circular shape in the middle point. And inside of that, I'm going to draw a black circle in the middle point. I'm going to copy the whole eyebrow shape and the eye shape on the right side of her face. Below the eye, in the middle point, I'm going to draw the tip of her nose with a U curve line. And at the side of that, curve line downwards on both the left and right. At the inner corner of her right eye, I'm going to draw a curve line downward. Below her nose, I'm going to draw her mouth with curve line across from the left corner to the right. And from the same corners, I'm going to draw her upper lips with diagonal curve line across to the middle point and slightly upwards. Turn it downwards in the middle point. Mirror that same shape of the lips on the right side. And for her lower lips, I'm going to draw from the same corner on the left, diagonal curve line across and downwards to the middle point. Curve line across. Turn it back diagonally up on the right side of the mouth. Below her face, I'm going to draw her neck with short curve line downwards on both the left and right. And at that ending point, from the left corner, curve line across to the middle, turn diagonally down to the middle point. Sharp turn back upwards on the right corner, and I'm gonna repeat the same shape to the right. At the outer corner of the collar, align downwards, turn to the sleeve, curve line downwards, turn it diagonally out, and curve line downwards at that corner. Turn it to the middle with curve line across, turn upwards at that corner. Mirror that same set of shape on the right side of her outfit. Now in the middle of her outfit, I'm going to draw a line downwards right there. Trace the line along the edge in the middle of her outfit on the left side right here, and at the lower edge of that piece right there. Now on her sleeve, I'm going to trace the edge on the left side right here and on the right side. Inside of her outfit, I'm going to draw on the left corner the pattern with an arch curve line at this upper point. Turn it downwards with curve line, turn it diagonally to the left, curve it back to the right, slightly upwards, sharp turn to the left at this lower point with curve line, and follow the same curves back to the ending point at this upper corner. I'm gonna mirror that same pattern on the left side of her outfit. Now below her outfit, I'm going to draw her waist with diagonal curve line to the right, flare it back outwards below her waist, and curve line downwards to her knee. I'm gonna mirror that same set of line on the right side. In the middle of her leg, I'm going to draw a curve line across right there. And below that curve line, I'm going to draw the inner line of her left leg with curve line diagonally down to the left and to her knee. And at the side of her knee, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards on both the inner line and the outer line. And below the knee point, I'm going to draw another curve line downwards on the left corner and flare it slightly out. Turn it back inwards towards her ankle point. I'm gonna mirror that same curve line for the inner line of that leg on the right side right there. And along the side of her leg from the thigh, I'm gonna trace the same set of line for the pattern alongside her pants right there. And below her ankle point, I'm going to draw her shoes. From the left corner, U curve line to the right, and I'm going to do the same thing at the inner corner on the right here. In the middle point, align upwards, sideways to the right, turn it back downwards on the right side. Below that, I'm going to draw in the middle point, crisscross knots downwards, and I'm going to repeat that crisscross knots 2 more times. At the side of her ankle, I'm going to draw a short line out, semi-turn downwards, and flare it slightly out. And I'm going to do the same thing at the inner corner on the right here, semi-turn to the middle point on both sides, curve line across for the base of the shoe. Slightly above that curve line, I'm going to draw another similar curve line across at that corner, and above that at the side, an arch curve line from the left corner, turn it downwards, U curve line to the middle point, and turn it upwards, sideways to the left, semi-turn upwards, and on the left side of that, at the upper point, curve line out to the side. Mirror that same shape on the right side of her shoe. And I'm gonna mirror the same shape of her leg on the right side. Now for her arms, from the left sleeve, I'm going to draw a curve line out to her shoulder point, semi-turn downwards at the side of her shoulder. So the shoulder, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards and slightly out, flare it out below her elbow point, and turn it back inwards to her wrist. I'm going to do the same thing for the inner line of that arm with diagonal line downwards right there, flare it slightly out, and turn it back inwards to her wrist. On her wrist, I'm going to draw a curve line across, and surrounding that wrist, I'm going to draw an oval shape right there. And at the side of that, a line downwards on both the left and right. Curve line across from the left corner to the right. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw a circular shape off center to the left right here, and another one on the right. At the side of that whole thing, I'm going to draw a semi-circle shape right there, and another one at the inner corner on the right. And below her wrist, I'm going to draw her hand at the outer corner with curve line downwards, turn it to the right, and on the right side of that, curve line diagonally down, sideways to the right. Repeat that same shape again for the other fingers. Turn it upwards at the side of the hand on the right there. And above that, I'm going to draw her thumb with curve line downwards and slightly to the right, semi-turn back upwards on the right corner, curve line inwards to her wrist. Below her thumb, at the inner corner, a sharp turn downwards at that point. I'm gonna mirror the whole arm's shape on the right side. That's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.